We're diving into the attribute error FuncAnimation object has no attribute resizeid error in Python. This error pops up when you're using Matplotlib's FuncAnimation to create animations, and you mistakenly try to access a non-existent attribute called resizeid within the FuncAnimation object itself. FuncAnimation handles the animation. It doesn't directly manage things like window resizing, which is likely where the confusion stems from. Let's break down why this happens and how to fix it. 1. Understanding FuncAnimation. FuncAnimation is a powerful tool for generating animations in Matplotlib. It repeatedly calls a function you provide to update the plot at each frame. The function you pass in is responsible for changing the plot data or elements to create the animation's progression. The FuncAnimation object itself isn't directly involved in resizing the figure window. It just orchestrates the animation frames. 2. The source of the error. The resizeid attribute doesn't exist in FuncAnimation. The error arises because your code is likely trying to interact with the figure window's resizing mechanism, perhaps trying to connect a resize event, directly through the FuncAnimation object, which is incorrect. FuncAnimation manages the animation frames. Figure window interactions, including resizing, are handled by the Matplotlib figure object itself. 3. Correcting the code. The solution involves separating the animation logic, handled by FuncAnimation, from the figure window's resizing behavior. Instead of trying to use resizeid on the animation object, you should work directly with the figure object obtained from write_plt.gcf, get current figure. Here's a common scenario and how you'd fix it. If you're trying to make the animation respond to window resizes, you need to connect a resize event handler to the figure, not the FuncAnimation object. This event handler will be called whenever the figure's size changes, allowing you to update the animation or the plot elements accordingly. You would use write_fig.canvas.mpl_connect, resize_event, your _resize_handler, where your _resize_handler is the function that handles the resize event, adjusting plot elements to fit the new window size. 4. Example scenario and fix. Imagine you have code like this. Incorrect. =animation, FuncAnimation, fig, animate, frames =range, 100, interval =20, ani.resizeid =some _value. This is wrong because ani, your FuncAnimation object, has no resizeid. The correct approach would be fig =plt.gcf, cid =fig.canvas.mpl_connect, resize_event, your _resize_function, ani =animation, FuncAnimation, fig, animate, frames =range, 100, interval =20. Notice how the resize event is connected to the figure, fig, and not the animation, ani. Your _resize_function will then contain the logic to redraw or adjust the plot elements based on the new figure size. Remember to disconnect the event handler using fig.canvas.mpl disconnect, CID, when you're done with the animation to prevent memory leaks. In essence, remember to keep the animation creation and the window resizing handling separate. Use the Matplotlib figure object for resizing events and FuncAnimation for managing the animation frames. They are distinct aspects of your Matplotlib application. By understanding the separation, you can avoid this common error and create smooth, responsive animations.